Just show the frickin' plan. Don't worry. Who says yes, who says no is none of your business. Don't get caught up. Plus he was working 2 jobs at the time. He had a full-time job and a part-time job, and he still made 82 exposures his first month. He tells you that whole story, right? And so that's Cliff's. And then I reached out to Kai, because I know they know their numbers. And Kai gave me her numbers for how she made her first $1 million, right? How did Kai make her first $1 million? Now, obviously, that wasn't in her first month. But she said, to make my first $1 million, I had to prospect 11,000 people. 11,000 people. But is it worth literally exposing 11,000 people, showing the plan to 11,000 people, if you can make $1 million? Would you be willing to show it to 11,000 people if you were going to make $1 million? Right? 1,300 of those people, so 1 in 8, a little over 1 in 8, got the membership. 300 of them said yes to the business, right? So out of the 11,000, 300 of them said yes to the business. This is her personal numbers. Now, not her team numbers. This is just her personal numbers. 23% overall became associates, and they in turn generated $1 million worth of income to her family. So my thing is, guys, when we start focus, numbers are our friends. Worried about why people said no, that's not your friend. Worried about who's going to say yes, who's going to say no, not your friend, right? Worried about what are they going to think of me, not your friend. What is your friend? Numbers. Numbers are your friends. Does the Coke